The Thermaltake Toughpower GT 850W Snow ATX 3.1 power supply offers high-performance power delivery with an attractive white finish, making it a stylish addition to any build. With an impressive efficiency rating, this power supply achieves up to 90% efficiency, ensuring reliable power delivery while reducing energy consumption. Its fully modular design simplifies cable management and enhances airflow, contributing to a cleaner and more efficient system setup. Equipped with a native PCIe 5.1 connector, it supports the latest generation of GPUs, providing future-proofing for gaming and high-performance computing. The Smart Zero fan technology and the 120mm hydraulic bearing fan ensure quiet operation, especially at lower loads, enhancing the overall user experience. Comprehensive safety features, including overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protections, ensure the safety and longevity of your components.